In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off microphone on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and there's two different methods for this. So the first one is, let's say you're trying to record your screen or anything like that, but you find that your microphone is in the background, which it might not be something you want because of the background noise or anything like that. So instead of just pressing the screen record button, I want to long press on it. And then if the microphone is on like this, it's going to say microphone on and the logo is going to be red. All I want to do is turn it off like so and then start my screen recording. Alternatively, if I want to go ahead and disable my microphone for a certain application, I'm going to go to settings, go to apps at the very bottom, find whatever app that is using my microphone. So let's say it's Among Us for me or anything like that. Let's say I want to go ahead and disable it for something like a social media. So we're just going to use Discord for an example. If microphone is on right here, all I'm going to do is turn it off and then that's it, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out our other tutorials too.